Hey everybody, this is my Hunter CG16 16-inch oscillating fan. I think this thing is from the 1960s or so. I do need to do a little work on this, but I'm just going to do a quick little presentation and demonstration of it. Among the things I need to do to it are redo the felt, redo the wiring, because it doesn't have a really great power cord on it, and replace the old head wire, and then just give it the normal servicing and cleaning. And I'll probably revisit this one after I get all those things done to it. Anyway though, I just wanted to show this one to you, so we'll show you the side of it. And the back. And it's a little bit dirty, but it does work good. So we'll turn it around and run it through the speeds for you. And it starts on high. And it sounds like a bit of an airplane on high, but it does move a lot of air. And as you can hear from the wind blast, it's powerful. And we'll put it down to medium. Which is just a little less airplane-like. And yeah, it still is moving a very decent amount of air. And we'll put it down below now. And below is actually fairly decently quiet on this thing. And we'll go back up to high. As soon as it clears the switch here. And with that, I will conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it to be informative. And I do thank you for watching. And we'll have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.